Dear student, good morning. Today's topic is atomic spectra. The splitting of light into series of color bands is known as dispersion, and the series of color band is called a spectrum. Spectra consist of sharp, well-defined lines or bands corresponding to definite frequencies. These are two types of atomic spectra. First one, emission spectra, and second one, absorption spectra. So student, first one, emission spectra. It is obtained when the radiations emitted from substances that have absorbed energy either by passing electric discharge through a gas at low pressure or by heating the substance to high temperature are analyzed with the help of spectroscope. Example, sodium or salt of sodium gives off yellow light. Potassium or salt of potassium produce violet color. The line spectrum is also known as atomic spectrum because it is obtained by analyzing the emitted radiations from atom by the application of heat or any other form of energy. Each element give a unique spectrum. Example, we get 589 nanometer and 589.6 nanometer in the spectrum of sodium. Whatever may be its source, the line spectra are also regarded as fingerprints of atom. So student, you have seen on the setup of the display, the discharge tube contains hydrogen. We take an example of a hydrogen. Then a slit, the emission spectra, the light is passed, the electrons are passed to the prism. On the screen, which is line spectrum, so they are showing the different colors of the wavelengths, red, blue, violet. So we can observe what are the type of atom. This one, second one is absorption spectra. When a continuous electromagnetic radiation, say white light, is allowed to pass through a gas or a solution of some salt and the transmitted light is analyzed, we obtain a spectrum in which dark lines are observed in an otherwise continuous spectrum. Such a spectrum containing a few dark lines due to absorption of light is known as absorption spectrum. Example, when white light is passed through vapor of sodium, we get dark lines in the absorption spectrum at 589 nanometer and 589.9 nanometer. Student, you have set the setup on the display. The pass the sunlight, the slit, sodium chloride solution, the transmitted light by the prism. So they are showing the photographic plate, the dark lines. So we can say that this type of atom is belong to the sodium because they are showing the wavelength are 589 nanometer or 589.9. Student, difference between emission and absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum, it is obtained when radiations emitted by the excited substance. In absorption spectrum, it is obtained when the white light is first passed through the substance in gaseous state or in solution. Second, emission spectrum consists of bright colored lines separated by spaces, dark spaces. In absorption spectrum, it consists of dark lines in an otherwise continuous spectrum. Student, next point is emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. J.J. Balmer developed a single relationship among the different wavelengths of the series of visible lines in the hydrogen spectrum. He gave a formula 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar per centimeter. The equation is 109677 into small bracket 2 square minus 1 upon n square. N is an integer equal to or greater than 3, means n 3, 4, 5. It is known as Volmer formula. These series of lines which appear in visible region were named as Volmer series. You will see on the display. The Lyman series, ultraviolet, N is 1 and N2 is 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Volmer series, region is visible, N1 is 2, N2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gaussian series, infrared zone, N1 is 3 and the N2 is 4, 5, 6, 7. Bracket series, infrared region, N1 is 4 and N2 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Fund series, infrared zone, N1 is 5, then N2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So Rydberg equation, 1 upon lambda is equal to mu r in per centimeter. R is equal to 1 upon n1 square minus n2 square, where r is Rydberg constant, value 109677 per centimeter. Example: above equation is true only for spectral lines of hydrogen atom or hydrogen-like ions. Those contain only electrons, for example helium or lithium. So these are the equation you have seen. Z is nuclear charge. For example, if the condition of a hydrogen or lithium or helium, this type of ions we say, so we can put the value of Z. So spectra of other atoms are complex, consist of very large number of lines. So the numerical in NCERT based on this Rydberg constant 2.13. What is wavelengths of light emitted when the electron in hydrogen atom undergoes transition from an energy level with n by 4 to an energy level with n equal to 2. What is the color of radiation? So we know, student, n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 4, Rydberg constant value 109677 per centimeter. We know 1 upon lambda is equal to r, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square per centimeter. We put the value, then the answer is 4.86 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. We convert it 486 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter or 486 nanometer, means it's a bluish green color. Student, NCERT 2.33, 2.17, 2.55 is totally based on this Rydberg constant equation. You on display you have seen, and you also solve this by the help of this solution. So student, the next topic is concept of energy level or orbits or Bohr's model of the atom. Point 1. An atom consists of a small heavy positively charged nucleus in the center surrounded by electrons. Electrons revolve around the nucleus only in the certain selected circular paths which have a fixed value of radius and energy. These paths are called orbits. Orbits are associated with definite energy and called energy cells or energy levels. Point number 2. The energy of an electron in the orbit does not change with time. It does not lose or gain energy. Energy of electron in energy cells remain constant. These orbits are also called stationary states or allowed energy state. Only those orbits are permitted in which the angular momentum of the electron in a whole number multiple of h upon 2 pi. H is equal to Planck constant. Angular momentum is equal to mvr. So m is equal to mass of electron, v is equal to moving velocity, r is equal to the radius of orbit. So according to Bohr's angular momentum, means mvr is whole number multiple of h upon 2 pi. mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So h upon 2 pi n is equal to 1, h pi n2, and 3h upon 2 pi if n is 3. Point number 4. The energies emitted are absorbed only when the electron jump from one energy level to another. Means change in energy, delta is equal to E2 minus E1. Delta means difference in energy of two levels. E1 and E2 are energy of two levels. Successes of Bohr's model explain the stability of an atom, and electron revolving in a particular orbit cannot lose its or gain energy. It's remain constant. Student, you have seen on the display the electrons absorb energy, so lower to higher zone. If electrons energy emitted, so they come into higher to lower zone. So Bohr's are succeed for explain the atom's model. So Bohr's model of an atom. Point number 2. Explain the atomic spectrum of hydrogen. When the electron is present as close to the nucleus as possible, atom has minimum possible energy, means known as ground state, a state of an atom in which atom possesses more energy, excited state. Example, n is equal to 1 means ground state, n is equal to 2 means first excited state, n is equal to 3 means second excited state. Excited state is unstable and the electron come back to lower energy level. On the display you see here ground state, energy come into the excited state. So I will be delta is equal to E2 minus E1. E1 into E3 means second excited state. So delta is equal to E3 minus E1. Frequency of the emitted radiation is equal to mu is equal to E2 minus E1 divided by h means Planck constant. C is equal to lambda, C upon lambda is equal to E2 minus E1 upon h, or lambda is equal to Hc upon E2 minus E1. So student, there are different type of series you can observe. First one Lyman series, ultraviolet from n means n2, 3, 4, 5 to n1. If the electrons come to this energy level to the n1, so they are Lyman series. Balmer series, visible region, when electrons come from 3, 4, 5, 6 to n2. Paschen series, infrared zone from n is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, then come to n3. Bracket series, higher from 5, 6, 7 to ny4. Fund series, higher when n is equal to 6, 7, 8, then come to ny5. So n2 minus n1 is equal to n2 minus n1 plus 1 divided by 2. The number of spectral line. So question number 15 of NCERT are totally based on on display. Student, you have seen the different types of a series. So Bohr's theory explain calculating the energy of the electrons in a particular orbit of hydrogen atom. Means En is equal to minus 2 pi square me4 me square me